Welcome to the SJ6 Ultra Accessories Installation Guide. In this guide, you will learn how to install various SJ6 Ultra accessories. The waterproof case uses a sliding switch as its locking mechanism. Operate the unlock switch with your left hand. Hold the waterproof case with your right hand to prevent it from slipping. Push the lifting edge to the left with your thumb. After unlocking, you can open the waterproof case. You can now remove the SJ6 Ultra. Before locking the case again, check the silicone sealing ring around the edge. Align the latch with the locking position. Press the latch down firmly to close the case. The case will lock securely. Use the palm of your hand for smoother locking. Slide the buckle into the helmet base. Peel off the protective film from the adhesive pad. Attach the helmet base firmly onto your helmet. Place the camera into the frame mount. Connect and frame mount bracket to the helmet base with screws. Installation can be completed. Place the camera into the frame mount. Wrap the flexible strap mount around the bike handlebar and fasten it securely. The mounting buckle to the strap mount. Tighten it to complete the installation. Place the camera into the frame mount. Connect the frame mount to the mounting buckle. Clamp the handlebar mount onto the motorcycle handlebar. Tighten the knob to secure it in place. Use the adjustment knob to position the mount at the desired angle. Remove the 3-prong adapter from the top of the motorcycle mount. Clamp the handlebar mount onto the motorcycle handlebar. Tighten the knob to secure it in place. Align the screw hole at the bottom